Salam everyone. My name is Rossie from Billy the Fighter teams. I would like to give a short tutorial about how to use the mobile apps. So we have two mobile apps. The first one is for the students and the second one is for the teachers. We will explain about the Billy the Fighter for the student itself. So this is the login page. You can see our logo here, our logo Billy the Fighter, and you can submit username and password and then log in, or you can also log in via Google or Facebook. So this is the home page. You will see your profile picture here, and our Billy the Fighter will greetings you, hola band, and this is the notification for bully report. Is there any reply from the forums or rooms, and today inspiration also. You can see from the homepage the main features of us. The first one is mood tracker, journal, report bully, today inspiration, and contacts. The first one is a mood tracker. In here you can submit how is your feeling today. Are you happy, sad, anger, lonely, calm, or afraid? And the second one, you can submit your journal and also report bully. In this one, this is the page of bully report. You can put the name of the victim, and if it happens to you, you can just click in here and you can enter the subject. For instance, are you having a sexual bullying, verbal, physical, or any other kinds of bullying? You can also put the time, date and the time and locations, who did it, and is there any witness, and please explain the detail of the bullying itself. You can save it as a draft, or you can report it and it will link directly to your teacher's mobile apps. We also have a button here. It shows the history of the report that you submitted, or the report draft. And this is the today inspiration. In here you can see the highlight of inspirational quotes or stories that will be brighten or motivate your days. And this is the contacts. In here you can contact your teachers or psychologists or other local authorities that contribute in bullying or mental health. This is the forums. Forums is the place that you can share any topics or materials about bullying and mental health in general. You can post it as anonymous, so your name will not appear on the post, and the teachers will become the moderator in these rooms or forums. In these threads, you can see the topic of the list of the topic, and you just can choose and likes or comments. This is the inspiration page. The inspiration page can be a story, can be a quote, or even a pictures that inspired you. So that's for mobile apps for students. Now we move to Billy for the teachers. It seems like in students mobile apps, you will see the login page first. You can see our logo, and you can log in via Google or Facebook. This is the homepage, a little bit different than in student app. There will be profile pictures of yours, and Billy will greetings you, and this is the details which class that you teach, and this is the notification. And you can see in the homepage there are main features. First one is Bully report, and second one is student mood review, and the third one is contacts. The first one is ongoing bully report. In here you can see the name of the students that submit the report, and the date, and the status. The status itself can be the report is under investigation, on action, or confirm, or is it already done. And then there is a student mood review, in which you can see the resume of the student moods at the day, how many students calm, happy, sad, angry, lonely, or afraid. And you can also contact other teachers or counseling teacher, headmaster, local authorities, and other stakeholders. And then in here we can see the bully report details for each students. It will be like a resume of the report. It will be name of the victims, the locations, the date, witness, and the detail of the bullying. So this is the status. Is it under investigation, confirm, on action, or is it already solved? And please teachers to explain the details of the action. So if you already give assessment or management to the report or follow up, please explain in here, and then you can save it or report it to the counseling teacher or headmaster. This is the list of the students in your classroom or in your group. You can see this is the name of the students, how many reported case that she or he submitted, and you can see also the data of the students. You can also search by the name. This is the forums or rooms. In these threads, in these forums, your role is as a moderator, and please bear in mind that because of you become a moderator, so let the students to speak by themselves and express their feelings. And so all of them are the main features of teachers applications. So this is the end of the tutorial, short tutorial, and thank you for your attentions. And please give us comment, or if you want to collaborate or join with us, please send email to us, and the contact will be in the video description. Thank you, and good luck.